with a new set, and as y'all see, I don't do almond often, but I still do it, so I would want you guys to see how I did on this set. Also, I forgot to press record when I was shaping these. These are not pre-shaped almond tips, so let me know if you guys want to see that on the next set. There is absolutely no perfect way to do this marble. I sometimes mix the order, but I do a clear bead and then I go in with a little bit of white, set it down. Sometimes I'll do the opposite, just play around with it, see what looks cute. Also, I wish I didn't take this marble too high, because later on when I do try to cover it with my ombre, it will peek through, so just keep that in mind. If you don't know, now you know. My favorite ombre color is this Bad and Bougie by Valentino, so I will go ahead and do that. This is that part where I was saying that I took the white marble a little too high, and you will see the white peek through. No biggie, it's still cute, but keep that in mind in case you're OCD like me, because once I knew I took it too high, I knew it was gonna pop through. remember, any design that you do has to be concealed and encapsulated with the clear acrylic so that later on with filing and e-filing, we don't destroy the design. As always with my 100-100 grip file, I always start underneath the corners of the nail beds slightly. Do not cut your client. And then I will smoothen the surface of my nail, look at it from side to side just to see that it's smooth and no bumps are there. Towards the end of my shaping, I always make sure to turn the hand back around and face me just to make sure my almond is even on both sides. Well, once again, you already know these ate up. Look at how cute that marble looks. Please let me know if y'all would like to see me shape and do more designs on almond nails. Thank you.